You ready, Danny? How you guys doing? This is Max from the Engine Base, and today I'm going to show you guys how to clean your wheels and tires. So just in case you guys don't know, the reason why you start washing your wheels and tires before you actually wash the car is because if you wash the car first, your wheels and tires are going to take you a lot longer to clean than the body. So while you're cleaning your wheels and tires, the water is going to be drying on the car, leaving water spots, and that's a big no-no. If you ever had water spots on your car, you know how much of a hassle it is to remove. So like I said, first thing we're going to do is the wheels and tires. So what I have here is Brake Buster by P&S, and this product is awesome. All you're going to do is shake it up and spray. Be generous with it. And now we're going to let it sit for about a minute, and what it's going to do is it's going to start lifting all the dirt and chemicals off the wheel. So as you can see, the Brake Buster is already doing its job, breaking down all the iron contaminants and loosening up all the dirt. So I'm going to go ahead and use some degreaser, and I'm going to spray around the tire. That way the tire can start getting cleaned as well. Now it's super important that you try not to spray any chemicals when you're in the sun, because especially if you have black wheels. If you have black wheels and you sprayed chemicals, you know they dry super fast, especially on a hot day, and it will stain your wheels and you will not be able to remove it. So now it's been sitting for about a minute. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get the pressure washer and I'm gonna spray all the loose dirt off before I start scrubbing the tires and cleaning the wheels. Alright guys, so as you can see, we got about 95% of the grime and dirt already removed. So by using the right products, a lot of the work gets done for you. So that's a big help, especially if you really care about your car and you say you're going to a car show, you want it to be as clean as possible. This is going to eliminate you having to do double work or being out for 3-4 hours washing your car. So now that we got the majority of the work done for us by the products, all we're going to do is we're going to use our soap and water, and we're gonna go ahead and start cleaning it. I like to use a microfiber towel. Not that the sponges don't work or the mitts, but I find it easier for a microfiber towel to get in between all the spokes, especially if you have a multi-spoke wheel. Trying to get the mitt in there is kind of a hassle, and then you get a lot of splash. A lot of the soap and water splashes out. So this kind of eliminates it, and it's just a nice and easy kind of scrub that you do, since everything's already pretty much gone. For the lug nut area, we just have a little brush that we're gonna go ahead and put in. Remember, the chemical already did most of the job. All we're doing is getting rid of the loose dirt. So now that we did the second cleaning on the wheel, we're gonna go ahead and do the tire the second time. This time we're gonna use a brush to scrub it to remove any of the tire shine that was left on there from before. So we just take our brush and now we start scrubbing away. So if you care about the barrel of your wheel being clean, now would be the time to do it. They do have long brushes that you can use to stick in there. For this vehicle, we're not concerned about that. Customer doesn't care about it, so we're not gonna do it. Now that we gave the wheels and tires a second cleaning, we're gonna go ahead and rinse it off and we're gonna see the results. So there you go guys, very basic, very simple, easy way to clean your tires. Remember, product is super important when doing this. It'll make your job super easy. And following a simple technique is going to help eliminate your rims from getting damaged and causing any kind of discoloration in the future.